Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to do this unboxing. This box came all the way from Nigeria. You need to see how hard I've been holding myself not to open this box so I can open it in your present. You know how when we were younger you get Christmas clothes and you want to wear it before it's Christmas. You just cannot wait to wear it. That is how I feel about unboxing this box. This is from Nigeria, like importer exporter, you know, your baby girl. This is the first time I'm actually trying to bring something directly from Nigeria. This has taken weeks. Weeks. I initially got my fish because for some reason they couldn't send the fish with the other things, and some of my food like my Maggi, my beans, crayfish, they didn't allow my sister to send it. So my sister organized these things and part came. The fish is in this box. It's a small box. The fish is in this box. It came first with DHL. It came through DHL. I tried to open it, but I just couldn't hold myself. So I've made a small hole where I've been pinching the fish. And I made red oil concoction rice with the fish, and it's yummy. So this box came yesterday while I was at work, and I just held myself not to open it so I can unbox it in your present. I'm excited to show you everything I got from Nigeria. This box came through FedEx, so it came longer. I don't know, maybe by sea. I don't know how they exported it, but it took weeks. I think about 2 to 3 weeks, I would think. Yeah. So yes, let's do this, guys. I'm excited. So this box contained fish, and this one came first. Came with DHL. This one came through DHL. Came about a week ago, but it was the same package. Then this other one came by FedEx. The fish came like this in 3 packs. All 4 packs. And I finished 1 pack. Moisturizer. I've got loads of hair. Look it.
Here. Hello.
Do not put oil. All these ones are all hair products. They are all hair products. Cashew nuts. Welcome. I asked to sew a lot of Ankara. Okay, this one is for my daughter. Hey, bonnet! How cute is that? I think I need to do clothing haul. is it clothing haul? Where I'm going to show all my clothes that I sold from Nigeria, Ankara version of clothing haul, because I sold a lot of Ankara that we're going to be rocking in the house, even if we don't have anywhere to go in the UK. Oh, see, this is cute. I got 2 bonnets. 2 bonnets. You may be hearing my daughter's voice because she's here. That's for my daughter. Oh. Brianna, come. Come. Say hello. They made you. Oh, how cute. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes. That's cute.
Wow. Hey.
Man, that's yours.
Yes.
That's for my daughter. Oh, this is so cute. See? You're going to come and you're going to wear all this, so we're going to see how beautiful it is. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's cute.
Thank you.
It's getting full, this table. I think I need to. Oh my daisy. That's for my daughter. Oh, what's this? Look at these, guys. Look at this. Look at this jumpsuit. Look at this jumpsuit. Oh, look at this jumpsuit. It's so cute. Oh, I hope my own is as beautiful as that. Rana, why do I feel like it's only you that they sold all the clothes for? That's not fair.
No.
You don't know.
No.
And that is mine. We need to do clothing haul. Diana.
No.
Yes?
No. Oh, go.
That must be for Brianna. That must be for my daughter. And that also has. Also has. It's jumpsuit. It's jumpsuit. Well, we need to do clothing haul.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
That's another jumpsuit. Another jumpsuit. Yes. I'm going to be showing you guys all of these clothes. Okay? Yes, we are representing Nigeria. We have to represent Africa. Proudly. Proud Africa. See? This is also mine. This is also mine. You can't see it properly. Don't worry, I'm going to be doing clothing haul for you. I'm going to be showing you all. It's also another jumpsuit. Another jumpsuit for me. All the style I sold, I asked that my daughter gets the same. So we're going to see who wears it better. I know you guys are like, oh, I love this one. I love this one. Look. I love this one. It's so nice. Oh my and I asked for me to get this. If you are a legend, if you are from Africa, you know the value of this. Really, I asked for them to buy this. It's for cutting hair. It has been in existence since the beginning of Earth. If you don't have this in an African home, you have not started. So this is going to be very functional. It's going to be of a great value. So I asked them to get it for me. You know, you can take a girl out of the village, but you can never take the village out of the girl. Yes, I'm a typical Nigerian. These are all hair products. Hair products. What's that? They're all hair products. Hair products. It's still hair. And then I asked for this hairbrush. I know I can get it in the UK, but I just wanted a cheaper one from Nigeria. And then I got granite. I got granite. They call it peanuts here.
Yeah.
And my Maggie. No Maggie. Sachet tomato. If you're Nigerian, you understand all these things I'm saying. I think that's the ugu leaf. Ugu, dried ugu leaf. And I've got kuli kuli. As I'm eating this kuli kuli, I'm having an idea. We have to do gari mukbang. Hair wax. I don't know what to say. And this is for hair. I've got more tomato, sachet tomato. Sending this thing down to the UK was extremely expensive. It's more than even the price I sold, I bought, all the things. When my sister got someone that was supposed to send these things for us, the price the person said was actually very good. But then all of a sudden, my sister got there and this man said he's not able to send any of the things. He's not able to send the food. The only thing he was going to send were just the clothes and the hair. Then my sister had no choice. She was actually frustrated that morning. She had to go and look for who was going to send it. Started looking about until they got this particular one. Then DHL said they cannot send the fish together with the other things. So they had to send the fish first via DHL. And then I got this other one via FedEx. And it is extremely expensive. I've told her, I said I'm not going to do this again, except I get an option of a cheaper way of sending things from Nigeria. It is not worth it at all. Please, I'm begging you, help a sister, please. If you know a very cheap way of sending things to the UK from Nigeria, especially food, please. You know I like my food. I always talk about food on my channel. If you know a very cheap way, please, I'm begging you, do me a favor. A sincere one. I don't want someone that would dupe me. You know your girl is not, we are not rich, we're just surviving. Please, if you know a very cheap way of getting food down to the UK or anything down to the UK, please just kindly either chat me my Instagram or drop a message under this video. I'm begging you to please help a girl. Hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's all over the place. You know, I'm just too excited to just show you the things I got from Nigeria. They are mainly clothes, hair, and few food because they didn't allow my sister to send most of the food. She had to send the food back, especially the crayfish and the rest of it, and this is a new thing to me. So I'm excited to show you anyway, but if you have any other way of sending things to the UK, kindly help a sister out, please. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please remember to like and subscribe to this channel. There's a lot of things coming. In fact, I'm having a lot of ideas. And this kuli kuli I've just opened, if you don't know, kuli kuli is made out of groundnuts, blended and formed into that. I'm going to drink gari just now. I have to drink gari. If I don't drink gari, it will not be okay. In fact, I have to even show you why I'm drinking the gari so that you know I'm serious.
Yeah.
Give me.
Cake. Help me.
Do you like kuli kuli? Kuli kuli?
Yeah.
Say kuli kuli? Say kuli kuli?
Okay.
Kuli kuli?
Damn.
Kuli kuli?
Damn.
These ones don't know anything. They don't know the value of life. Really, they are really missing. Gary, kuli kuli and granules. You can toast me with this combination. I'm going to be a millionaire to enjoy life. This makes me really feel like I'm mixing a lot of things. Oh my god. Oh, it's going to make me feel really emotional right now. I miss home. I miss my sister. Thinking about seeing all this just remind me of how much I miss Nigeria really is. You don't know the value of your country until you're no longer there. And the things we take for granted, especially back home, you don't understand. I just wish our government can just make Nigeria great again. Seeing all these and thinking that it came directly from my sister. Really, but guys, I really enjoyed this. Thank you for watching, and thank you for watching all the videos everywhere anyway. But please remember to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. I will see you again in the next video. If you want to see a clothing haul from me and my daughter, please drop a comment down below. And yes, let me enjoy my gari. My gari is swelling up. See, there's no more water inside. I need to go and add water, and I'm going to finish my gari. I will see you in another video. Remember, stay safe. I love you. Bye. Brenda, say bye.